Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to manually turn off your PS5 with the power button. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just want to go ahead and turn off your PS5, but you don't know how to actually do so. Now, there's two ways to do this. You might be thinking that you could actually just go ahead and unplug your PS5, but I highly recommend that you don't do this because this actually could lead to corrupted data. So what you essentially want to do is that you actually just want to go ahead and press and hold the power button until it actually turns off. So right now my PS5 is turned on, but if I go ahead and go over to my PS5, this right here is the power button. So if we press and hold it, we're going to hear one beep and then we hear a second beep. And now you can see that our PS5 is actually turning off. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and manually turn off your PS5 with the power button. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.